Alright. Made a little video of this bike. I was going to take you all through the whole building process and stuff. But I kind of just did it on my own, basically. It's still not done. I had it running, rode it twice, and the CDI, the spark module, fucked up about 2 miles down the road. I'm waiting on the high performance CDI now. Should be here tomorrow, hopefully. I think it turned out pretty fucking sweet. And the racing goggles. Dirty as fuck, actually. I love those things. I bought a scooter and got those with it. Put some number plates on it. I ain't even gonna tell you what I made them out of. Y'all be making fun of me. I might. Probably gonna take this back fender off too. Be rattling like a mug. But that's it. Next time you guys see it, I'll be kicking it down the highway. And maybe even have a white E100 on it instead of the little thing right there. All right.